I don't wanna wake up. I don't know why I'm so tired, but I have a full day to look forward to. Today I'm gonna clean my room. Hello, welcome back to my channel. And there's a power cut. What a good start to the vlog. I have woken up very late and it's already 12. I think मैं पूरे हफ्ते का थकान सा फटा रही थी because मेरे से उठा ही नहीं जा रहा था. Auntie आई, she cleaned the room, she left. But she cleans only the floors and she cooked. But she did not, like she doesn't clean the tabletops and all that. तो मैंने सोचा हुआ है कि मैं आज अपने रूम को क्लीन करूँगी क्योंकि बाकी सारे जो रूम्स हैं वो तो फिर भी साफ़ है. मेरा रूम बहुत डर्टी हो रखा है एंड आई हैव टू declutter stuff. I have to organize my cupboard too. It's gonna be a big day and it's gonna take a lot of time. I ordered something from some stuff from Blinkit. As you can see, it has cleaning items as well as some food items as well. Yeah, I just wanted some motivation. Actually सब basic items ही है. Cleaning items उतने ज़्यादा भी नहीं मैंने order किए हैं. I'm just gonna quickly show you what I have ordered. And don't mind me, I know my t-shirt is very dirty. I am purposefully wearing this t-shirt because it's already dirty and I was supposed to clean it. I always have a habit of like spilling food on my t-shirt. Somehow I'm very clumsy as a person. Yeah. See? So this proves that I am actually clumsy as a person. So आधे घंटे में प्लम्बर भी आने वाला है. उससे पहले मैं सोच रही हूँ कि एटलीस्ट आई शुड have some breakfast. I will show you the products which I have got from Blinkit. First product I have got is this banana walnut cake. I love bananas and I love cake, so combination of it is always, yeah. And bananas as well. Actually it's a combo. Like I've got like 4 bananas and these fruits. I know I'm a lazy ass. I cannot cut my own fruits. I can, but I'm too lazy. Today at least I was. I know. I'm not suggesting you to buy such kind of fruits. Always buy fresh fruits from outside and cut it at your own place. Okay? Don't be me. As far as I am concerned, I'm very lazy, so I don't care. Moving on, this is the, I really wanted to buy this thing from a long time because those hand wash के जो containers होते हैं, they don't look aesthetic at all. And it's not about aesthetic also, but वो देखते देखते ना बहुत ही अजीब से लगता है. So I got this and it is easy to pour liquid also in this, so it's, yeah, it looks cute. I like cute stuff. And some eggs. I'm gonna boil one for sugar right now. मेरा तो मन नहीं है खाने का eggs. I've got this yogurt as well. I'm just gonna check the date. Not gonna die. I also got these mangoes. I'm very happy to show you these because these are very expensive as fuck, and I will try to finish it off soon. This is छाछ. I got 2 छाछ. मुझे मट्ठा बहुत पसंद है. Compared to milk, I like this more. मिल्क में चाय बनाना और ये सब करना जो है, मतलब मैं चाय बहुत ही वृद्धि बनाती हूँ आजकल. पता नहीं क्या हो गया मुझे, तो मैं नहीं करती ऑर्डर. मतलब मिल्क ऑर्डर किया है मैंने, बट नॉट फॉर द चाय. दिस इज द टॉयलेट पेपर. व्हाई एम आई शोइंग यू दिस आइटम? बट दिस इज व्हाट आई गॉट. टूथपेस्ट ख़त्म हो गया था. न्यू ब्रश. हर 3-4 महीने में ब्रश बदलना चाहिए. एंड लिक्विड सोप ख़त्म हो गया था. एंड आई हैव गॉट दीज वाइप्स. आई डोंट नो हाउ अननेसेसरी दीज आर. दीज आर जस्ट टू मोटिवेट मी so that I can clean my room. And right now sugar is staring me. I don't know why. You wanna see? She is judgmental as fuck. This is very important because आजकल मेरे बाथरूम में पता नहीं क्या हो गया है. Even if I clean it, it smells sometimes. Why am I spilling my dirty laundry on the... Anyways, I don't care. सबके बाथरूम कभी ना कभी स्टिंक करते हैं, so it's okay. It's a stoned milk. This is funny. I got this also because somehow I feel that that smell which comes in my toilet, it might be because of a drainage issue. I don't know whether it is not. I'm not a plumber, but I've still got this, and I'm gonna use it today. And I'm gonna hope that smell will magically disappear. One can hope, one can dream. Last but not the least, Vanish, which I really wanted, and that's why I showed you my dirty t-shirt. I'm gonna wash this t-shirt with this and let you know whether it works or not. I remember using it as a kid because my mom used to get it sometimes. Smaller pack than this actually. This is kind of expensive. Yeah. But I need this. I think this is something which is definitely, people like me should carry all the time. Maybe I can be a brand ambassador for this because I keep on spilling things on my clothes. So you can lock it also. You can unlock it also. Lock it also. Unlock it also. Shut up. Let's open it. It's obviously empty. Bruh. Oh la la. I'm kind of liking it.
2,000 years later.
When is this? You are getting a glimpse of my dirty bathroom. I'm just gonna put it here and of it, actually a lot of it here. Just gonna put some water into this. I'm just gonna remove everything one by one. Removed everything from here. I'm just gonna wipe this off. Clean this off. Yeah. मैंने थोड़ा सा सोप भी लगाया था. Mostly it has all dog hair. Look at the clutter. I'm so scared to organize it. Ta-da! I've removed most of the products. Look at the amount of dust. Before, after, I know it's still cluttered, but at least everything is there. and reachable. I don't have to look for it. There is sugar barking in the background, just ignore her. See, it is cleaner than before. Look at the amount of kachra. Look at the amount of mess. It's very messy, I know, in this part. So I'm just gonna clean this part and this part, and we'll show you the after results. This is the end result. I know it's not the best, but still better. The mess. I have to clean this.
Oh my god!
I have
What
thrown
is
some
that?
stuff out, so it looks cleaner than before. The stuff have thrown out. So finally, I have cleaned my washroom also. I'm just gonna show you. Look, it's so clean compared to the previous version, no? I don't have a space to keep toilet paper, yeah. So I just kept it like this. I think I need a stand for this. I don't know why I'm showing you that. Floor is still not the best, but प्रॉब्लम इज़ यहाँ पे कुछ वर्क हुआ था, तब से ये ऐसा ही हो गया है. उसको साफ़ करना इज़ वेरी टफ. And I am very proud of myself for this part because it is very clean compared to the previous version. Look at this, and so organized. And this part is as it is, and I have cleaned it. So finally I am kind of done now. I'm gonna do the almirah part tomorrow, क्योंकि मुझे लगता नहीं है कि मेरी बॉडी अब और ये सब कर सकती है. I'm very tired, so I'm gonna finish up my almirah. You can see the almirah पीछे. So I'm just gonna declutter stuff and arrange my clothes tomorrow. And for today I'm just gonna have food because I have not eaten. After that breakfast I have not eaten anything, and it's already 8. Okay, so I'm just gonna chill now. I'm gonna have to change my bed sheet also because it's very dirty since I kept all the stuff on the bed, and I have to wash clothes, and I'm gonna use Vanish. I don't know why I'm getting excited for this. I think that is what 30s are, right? 30s people in 30s, they get excited for such things.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide. Smooth brain.
Everyone, I'll be back with another vlog. Actually, I was not able to club the other day into this vlog as this vlog itself was huge. So bye. इसको मैं कहीं और सिखाऊंगी.